നല്ലൊരു സോങ് കേട്ടു. സമയം 9 മണി കഴിഞ്ഞ് 20 മിനിറ്റ്. ഇത് ഗോൾഡ് 101.3 FM. വൈശാഖും സമീറയുമാണ് നിങ്ങളുടെ കൂടെയുള്ളത്. നമ്മൾ കുറച്ച് ദിവസങ്ങളോളമായിട്ട് പറയുന്നൊരു കാര്യമുണ്ട്. പല ആൾക്കാർക്കും ഒരു BS ഓണേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ BBA അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു MBA സ്വപ്നം കണ്ട് നടക്കുന്ന പല ആൾക്കാരുമുണ്ട്. സോ അവരെ സംബന്ധിച്ച് നോക്കുമ്പോഴത്തേക്ക് ഒരു അമേരിക്കൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ യൂറോപ്യൻ ഡിഗ്രി ലഭിക്കണം എന്നുള്ളൊരു സ്വപ്നം പല ആൾക്കാർക്കും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും അല്ലേ?
ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി. പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് ഇവിടെ പഠിച്ചു വളർന്ന കുട്ടികളാണെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഡ്രീം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് they want to go to US or the UK. അവിടെ പോയിട്ട് മാസ്റ്റേഴ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഡിഗ്രി ഒക്കെ അവിടെ പോയി എടുക്കണം എന്നുള്ള ഒരു ഇന്റർനാഷണൽ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് കൂടി വേണം എന്ന് ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്നവരുണ്ട്. സോ പേരൻസിനെ സംബന്ധിച്ചിടത്തോളം ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു കാര്യം തന്നെയാണ്. കാരണം എക്സ്പെൻസസ് അത്രയും കൂടും. ആൻഡ് റീസെന്റ് വി ഫൗണ്ട് ദാറ്റ് അവിടെയൊക്കെ പോയി പഠിക്കുന്നതിന്റെ ഒരു 10% ചെലവിൽ നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ UAE നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ഡിഗ്രീസ് എല്ലാം മികച്ചൊരു കോളേജിൽ നിന്നും കിട്ടും.
എക്സാക്ട്ലി. ലണ്ടൻ അമേരിക്കൻ സിറ്റി കോളേജിന്റെ കാര്യമാണ് നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്നത്. കാരണം എന്ന് വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കുന്ന അതല്ല US-ലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ മറ്റേതെങ്കിലും യൂറോപ്യൻ കൺട്രീസിലോ പോയി പഠിക്കുന്നതിന്റെ 10% മാത്രം ഫീ കൊടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ പഠിക്കാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കുന്നുണ്ടായിരിക്കും. എന്തായാലും ഇന്ന് നമ്മളുടെ കൂടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഡീൻ ആൻഡ് മാനേജിംഗ് ഡയറക്ടർ പ്രൊഫസർ ഡോക്ടർ കൗ മുഹമ്മദ് ആണ് നമ്മുടെ കൂടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് സർ.
Very good morning.
Welcome to our studios. Nice to have you.
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, it's our pleasure too. Yeah. So regarding London American City College, I believe everyone wants to know more about London American City College. Yeah. So what's the USP of LACC? That's the main thing that we want to know first of all from the dean.
London American City College was established 20 years ago, and our institution is fully accredited by ECB, European Council for Business Education, and also accredited by ASIC, Accreditation Services for International Schools and Colleges in England. And ASIC has given us a premier university status for our institution. And apart from this, we also received recently the educational membership from IACBE. This is from United States of America. And our institution is a fully accredited, globally recognized institution offering accredited affiliated university program from Medona University, which is based in Michigan State. Now Medona University is one of the top university as per the US News and World Report and fully accredited by Higher Learning Commission in US. Apart from this, we have a European institution also, well reputed European institution, which is the Euro College, which is also fully accredited by Board of Accreditation and the Ministry of Education from the Republic of North Macedonia. Around 10,000 students have graduated from our institution, and our main selling proposition is that our institution is the only institution which is globally recognized by ECB and ASIC, providing quality American and European education under one roof.
All right. So there are so many parents listening to our show right now, and there are so many pastors who are listening to our show right now. So what are the most important factors they should look for when they are opting for a higher education?
Correct. Yes. So the there was a survey conducted by a company which is called as 360, and the survey stated that number one, what the student look for or the parents look for or the organization look for is the quality of education and recognition. This is what the survey, they around 97% of the people voted for quality education and recognition. So in this way, our institution is fully accredited and fully recognized, and whatever programs we are offering, they are highly recognized programs, worldwide, globally. So this is number one factor which they see, that is the quality education and recognition. Number one. And then number two is faculty and infrastructure. This is also very important. Faculty, we have very well approved faculty, who are teaching in our institution, approved by the university and the partner university or in US as well as approved in the Europe. So this is what, and it comes around, the rating was around 95%. 95% of the people say that. Number two, what the students look for, what the professionals look for, what the parents look for is the faculty and the infrastructure.
Okay.
Number 3, they look for affordability and placement, which
Yes,
is very
yes.
important, because affordability and placement. So you'll find that our institution, is very affordable, because you're studying at a cost of 10%. Because here you'll find that if you go to US, you pay 90% more. Here you're studying at the 10% of the cost of studying in the
Right.
United States. And the placement, you'll find 95% of our students get placement assistance. They're very well placed. And the final point 4 is that they look for opportunity to see the global faculties coming from US or directly interacting with our students. So in our third year program, you'll find that there are faculties from Europe and US. They directly teach our students back in our campus, and then they look for migration. So these are the 4 important factors which is required whenever any parents or any students look for a study abroad.
Okay, as we all know, this is a pandemic situation, and
Correct.
majority of the students are distance learning or e-learning.
Right.
So, which majors will work for the commerce or the business students in this moment?
Yeah, as far as the science students are concerned, obviously they go for engineering,
Yeah.
they go for medicine,
Yeah.
they go for nursing, etc. But as far as the commerce or
business.
business students are concerned, we always prefer that they do 2 important majors. One is the international business management major.
Okay.
Now, international business management, they learn lot of concepts. They learn business project concepts. They learn, product development concept. They learn operations strategies. They learn international trade, relations, etc. They also learn entrepreneurship. They also learn lot of economic related, courses in this particular program. And they can be placed in any industry. They can work in, travel industry. They can work in multinational corporations. They can work in business development area. Any areas they can work in. This is the first choice which I feel the students should take up, because this is globally acceptable any part of the world. And the second choice is for those students who have flair in accounting, flair in statistics, flair in calculations, data, etc. Then in that case they can go for accounting major.
Okay.
So 2 important majors now at this current moment is that they can go for either international business management major, where they have a wide choice of career option, or they can go for accounting major, which is very important. And with this accounting major, they also get exemption in ACCA professional courses. They can go for ACCA courses, they can go for CIMA, they can go for CFA, or they can go for CPA. So whatever, in case they do a major in accounting or finance, they get lot of exemption to do professional courses.
Alright,
Does
so-
LACC offer placements too?
Yes, definitely. Placement, we have, if you see the placement, most of our students are placed, well placed in the industry. You'll find that one of my student, if I remember, Miss Mala Bhatia, she is now, she completed her bachelor's and master's from our institution, from Madonna University. She went to Toronto, Canada, and now she is a HR manager in Walmart stores, which is one of the
great.
largest company there. So what I feel is that, definitely you get a lot of placement, and 5 times more opportunities for placement is available for our students. 95% of our students are getting placement services from our placement cell.
Also
and,
internships?
Internship also. And then 80% of our students are getting good pay. As soon as they pass out, they get at least minimum pay of 10,000. Why? Because it is with the internship.
Yeah.
Internship, you'll find that we have internship of a 3 semester hour, which is compulsory for our students. They complete the internship. I tell my students that please do internship. If it's a free internship also, please take it up, because in future, as time goes, and if you are accepted by the company, you can get a permanent job in the
All right.
company.
Okay. I was going through your profile, and it's very interesting. Like 25 years into this industry, like
26.
academics, and it's marvelous job actually. So, what's that one message that you want to tell to all the listeners who really want to upgrade their skills? Because we not only need the academic certificates or anything like that, we need more skills as well. So what are the emerging skills that they require if they want to join a new company or they opt for any new position or anything like that?
Right, because skills at this point of time, you'll find that it's a very difficult situation. If you just are worried about the situation, then definitely you cannot change. You'll find that it will be a problem. Even organization also. Organizations should go for organizational change, which is very important, because you should adapt to the change. If you don't adapt to the change, definitely it's a problem, and finally organization will go down. So here you have to be resilient, proactive and adaptable leader, which is very important. At this point of time, you require conviction, you require some sort of motivation in taking up the challenges in the industry. So the first skill which we always look for is to achieving the quality objectives. Always think about quality, see that you are purpose driven, and second is look for creativity and innovation. That is also very important. You need to learn and grow, because Harvard Business School, they said that you need to learn and grow, and at this point of time you'll find that the business and the finance students will be at a very acceptable position. Why? Because the Bureau of Labor Statistics in US, they said that the jobs in business and finance will grow by 10% until the year 2026, with an average monthly salary of maybe, if you consider in terms of UAE, you can get a minimum monthly salary of 20,000 dirhams in this particular field. And then the flexibility is also very important, because you'll find that you have to be adaptable, you have to be flexible in maintaining this particular situation. Apart from this, you will find some of the soft skills are also very important. Soft skills, for example, a study was conducted in the University of Melbourne, and they took up a course in building up the confidence level. Those who took up this particular course in building up the confidence level, over a period of time, they found that they got better wages, better promotion, better motivational concept which they adopted in the industry. So all these things are very, very important. What we look for is that solve it. If you don't solve it, collaborate it. If you don't collaborate it, go to the next level. So we look for growth mindset, instead of fixed mindset.
Okay, when it comes to college education, not everybody is blessed with a financial setup, especially during this time.
Correct.
What kind of scholarship support does LACC offer to the family or the people who can't do that sort of a financials?
Right, because at this point of time, I have seen many of the students are unable to pay because the parents have lost their job, or their salaries are reduced over a period of time. So to our students, 99% of our students are getting scholarship.
Great.
And now at the current moment, you will find that we offer scholarship to the extent of 25% to 30% on the tuition fee, which we are offering. And we have come out with a special scholarship. We call it as COVID scholarship option plan. This particular plan is something like that. We call it as a special installment plan for the parents who have lost their job or whose salaries have been reduced. So we have created a special financial plan which will enable the students to pay a very, very low fees in the beginning for next, say, 5 to 6 months, so that they can manage their current financial situation, and then slowly and steadily they will be paying their regular scholarship fees. So at this point of time, they'll pay very low fees, and then over a period of time, once everything improves, probably they may pay, at a regular interval. Apart from this, we also give the option for this COVID scholarship plan. We give them option to postpone their installment payment. We give them the library books, free of charge, without any deposit. We give them low transportation fees, and we also give them study materials, which is a soft copy of the study materials, which will enable them to just look through instead of taking photocopies, etc. So we try to provide whatever help is required
to reduce the expenses,
to reduce their stress. Especially the parents have a lot of stress, and the major stress at this point of time is the financial stress.
Yes, some kids may be really well in the academics, but parents will not be able to support them. So that puts them in a mental trauma. Like they can't support their children's dreams and everything.
Right.
That's really appreciate the fact that the college is supporting so much.
Thank you so much. You shared so many.
One message I would like to give it to all my listeners is that see, education is very, very important. You know, and
very true.
Never compromise with education. However is the economic situation, you will find that road is never smooth. Always when you walk on the road, there are ups and downs. There are major turmoil, economic problems. But always go with the education. You will find that the first and the foremost important point for a student, or for any individual or for any professional is that the academic profile should be complete. And what is your academic profile? Having a bachelor's degree and having a master's degree. After completing your master's, your academic profile is complete unless and until you want to do a doctoral program, or you want to do a research, or you want to go with the becoming a professor or faculty in a institution. This is very important. Second point is that you need to see that you get a good quality knowledge from the institution. Knowledge is also very important along with the degree, because the degree from the institution where you get is also very important. And the third important point is that the term of education is also very important, because sometimes people feel that we can be educated with just a 6 months program you finish and you are well qualified. No, a bachelor's degree you need to have a minimum of 3 years completed term, and for a master's you need to have at least 1.5 years of term.
താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച്. ഇപ്പൊ കേട്ടുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആൾക്കാരുടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് LICC-മായി കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ കുറച്ച് നമ്പേഴ്സും കൂടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആ നമ്പറിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിളിക്കാൻ പറ്റുന്നുണ്ട്.
We have the toll free number 800-5222 is the toll free number. ഒരു മൊബൈൽ നമ്പർ കൂടിയുണ്ട് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യാനായിട്ട്. 052-7910-854 is the mobile number which you can contact. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവരുടെ വെബ്സൈറ്റ് തന്നെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വിസിറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം, www.lacc.me.
And I believe you have study centers in Dubai.
Yes,
Russell Khaimah.
we have main campus in Sharjah.
Sharjah Free Zone, right?
Sharjah Free Zone, and then we have a main campus in Fujairah, and we have study center in Dubai as well as in Russell Khaimah.
Okay. So I believe this is the right number, right? The
number is here.
No, okay,
The Sharjah number?
Yes, there are some other numbers too. Like if LICC ഫുജൈറയിലുള്ള ആൾക്കാർക്ക് കോൺടാക്ട് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട് 092224140, and Sharjah I believe 2 cameras.
Anyone you can take.
Done. One in Sharjah, that is 0655853332. Russell Khaimah 0567170-180, and in Dubai 0527910-854.
And we have a website as well.
Yes, LACC.me, that's the website. You can visit and know more about London American City College. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Nice
you.
meeting both of you. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.